We're at the zoo. Jamie and the babies. And they're in a cute little store. This is the zoo.
This is the zoo. Oh, what's this? Oh, tigers.
And this is the girls. Hola, Sophia. Hola, Madison. Hola. Okay, more later.
Look
Bye
at the
bye.
Tigers.
Where are the tigers?
Girls love.
Da, da,
Look
da.
at the tigers.
Wow, look. Look at the tiger.
Look at the tigers. They can't see. Oh, look, he's getting up.
Ooh.
Oh, he's beautiful.
¿Te gusta, Sofía?
Look at that one sleeping. Should we take them out to see?